everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today, and I just got my guaranteed reshipment from saltwaterfish.com. I got some fish last week and they were delivered, and if you guys saw the other video, they came in really bad shape. So this is kind of my thing. I came from the beach again, so they got me, they resent the 2 cardinals that died and the 1 damsel green chromis that died. So we are going to pull them out real quick, one by one. So here's one right here. This one looks fine. It has the tail. It is swimming around. There we go. So you guys can see it, okay? In the bag right there. Just want you to see. So we're going to put this one in there. This is one of the Supremes, or the Denises is what we call them. This is the chromis, which is alive. Very small. So I know it's going to have a little bit of hard time surviving in the tank, you know, with the other ones. Oh, wait, where's the... but there should be one more pajama, because the other pajama was dead. There it is. Okay. So there's one more pajama. And let's see. This pajama is dead. Okay, so this pajama is dead. Right here. If you ever notice with all these fish places, they give you credit, right? So the credit's only for 365 days. If I have a 40-gallon breeder, I can't put more than 8 to 10 fish in there. So if the fish are dying and I have credit and I have to keep ordering to get the free shipping because they charge you like $60 or more to ship it, because it's next day plus the box order plus the taxes plus whatever else they got now charging you. So that they're charging you all these fees, and they charge me enough for like that I buy like 3 or 4 fish. I go to my local fish store. The only reason I don't keep going there is because, you know, I went there before, I got home, the fish died, and then there's no guarantee, and it's like, you know, it's a pain in the butt. You know, I mean, fish aren't like $10 anymore. These fish are $20, $30, $50, $100, $1,000. So, you know I'm going on a little bit of a rant, but I'm sorry, but the fish are very expensive these days. They're, you know, when I buy a puppy and I spend $1,000 on a dog, I usually look for the breeder that has a warranty that within 30 days or 6 months or whatever the case, that if there's a problem, they have to pay to have the dog fixed. The cat, the same thing. Like, I usually look for reputable breeders. That's all I'm saying. And it feels like it's inhumane to keep shipping these fish dead to me. I know they're bred on a high level, but all right, that's just me ranting about it. So anyway, another one came dead. Let's see what happens. I'm going to contact them. The other ones are acclimating. Let's see what happens. Yeah. So that's about it for Glen Velvet Reviews on the saltwater fish order that I just got, because that's what they sent to me. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right? Everybody enjoy it. Be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye.